In class, we've been looking at the Industrial Revolution and how the railways had such a big effect on the technology then and technology how we see now. So let's get started. The first point is that trains could now easily spread knowledge because throughout history and before that time, you really couldn't get information from other places. So now in places that wouldn't have gotten letters or newspapers were now accessible to other places within the country. The second point is that now that trains could go different places and could take different materials, you can now take heavy metal different places because beforehand materials such as iron or aluminum were too heavy and too much trouble to get to places, and so people could no longer move them and get them to certain places within the country. But now it was accessible to all people, and you could now create new things and have time for other things because you now had this material within your community. And the final point is that now that you could get knowledge faster than before, you could now figure out different things faster because say a family member or a friend had just recently gotten into the hospital, through the train you could now get that information faster and then get there faster because the train could get you there in much less of the time. Overall, the Industrial Revolution not only changed that time, but it also changed us today because it changed the technology in a way that it created new things in the future to come, and it changed a lot of people's lives. So, thank you for watching my Explain Everything, and that's all for now.